How good is its location on a quiet little cul-de-sac with Kingsway Shopping Centre just minutes walk away, Gulila Lake just across the road where you can enjoy active lifestyle. Designed with easy maintenance and spacious living in mind, this property is ready for you to move in. Let's take a look inside, see what it has to offer. Follow me through. Upon entry, you will feel immediately that this is a very different kind of home and highlighted by a large, bright and airy living area with high ceilings leading out to an amazing outdoor area where you can have hassle-free entertainment under the alfresco area. The large, uniquely designed, wrapped-around pool with water features provides endless hours of fun for the family and friends. Accommodation consists of 5 large bedrooms. All comes with robes, either built-in or walked-in. The master boasts a huge ensuite with a luxurious spa bath and a separate shower, and also a sizable walk-in room. The kitchen features abundance of storage, quality appliances, stone bench top with waterfall edges, and you love the large breakfast bar designed for at least 5 persons. The quality and attention to detail is second to none here, with quality porcelain tiles and solid red mahogany wood floors line the living areas. LED light fittings, quality large carpets to the theatre/games room, and there's so much more to mention. My best bet would be for you to come and see this home for yourself. Property in this pocket don't usually take too long to sell, so don't miss out this opportunity of a lifetime. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call us on 0422 702345. Thank you.